All right, and we're back. Today's video, we're going to see if we can do this module. It's right down here. It's hard to see. I know the light's low this time of year. It's starting to get very chilly. So it looks to be two 10mm bolts. I'm probably going to have to undo this top one so the hose comes up a little bit more. It's already loose, which I found yesterday. All right, so I have my lovely daughter camera assistant here today. So I'm going to hand the camera to her while I'm working here. Okay, so first things first. See if I can get this 10mm out, because like I said, it's already loose. It's either just flopping in there or it's coming out. I can't tell. I think it's just flopping in there. I don't think it's even connected. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Holy cow, that was never tightened down. Okay, where's it at? Under there. See if I can get it to go a little more. That may give me enough room. All right, let's see what we got here. Take the extension off. Then we're going to go down to the bottom bolt down here and see if we can get this to back off. Okay, all right. Come on. It goes into plastic, so being in plastic, it's like super snug. Okay, let's get one. Whoop. Yeah, there's one. Let's set that over here so it's not going to get lost. And we'll get underneath the hose here. I think I can pick this up and get it under here. Yes, very good. There we go. Now, here, let me just take this back for a second. All right, so you can see down in there, tough, okay? So that's the top bolt right there that I'm taking out. Okay. Just gotta get a little more room here. Get it loose enough where I can do it by hand, we'll be in business. There we go. All right, let's see if we got it loose enough by hand now. There we go. All right, number 2. And you can see I've discussed with you people before. You see the really coarse threads? That's because it's going into plastic. Roll away. Of course you rolled away. Okay. Very good. All right, that one's trying to get away, that bolt. All right, now.
2 helicopters.
Now let's see if this will pop out, which it should, like so. All right, there it is there. Okay, I can see it hanging there. Now we just got to figure out the wires where the clips are. Obviously, I'll show you once I get it free. All right, where is that clip? Trying to see where they hid the clip on this. I may have to pull this upper air box. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to pop this. All right, so we're gonna pop this off. This will give us a little more room to work here, I think. All right, that's that. There we go. Now that's out. Ooh, there you go. Look at that. Come on this side over here, kid. Right there. Now we can really see it. Get out of the light there. Okay, come around the front. Now let me see where the clip is. Got it? Come on, you look like you should go. Ah, there's one. Okay, so let me just hold this up. Okay, so here's the clip for that side right there. So what you do is you push down hard and it releases right up here so you can pull that off. All right, let me get the bottom one now. It looks like it's the same setup. It's tough to see with the light we have. exact same clip. So same style. Let's take a look at our module here. Okay, exactly the same. So there you go. So again, this is the aftermarket. Factory one's 300.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. Very good. All right, that's in place. Now, all right, get my hand out of the way so you can see there. All right, so now, back down in there. All right, I got the new one in place. We're going to start the bolts. Get to where we can see it. Very good. That's one started. And again, you always put them in by hand. Don't try to force them. So, you know, because a lot of times when you go to thread them in, they'll cross thread and then you'll really be stuck. Okay, so you see under here, let me move the hose. There you go, point it right over the top, kid. So you can see the bolt started there. All right, so now I'm going to run it down. I have not hooked the other wire yet, as you can see. And you see how much easier it was when I took that upper air box off. This is the 2-liter engine. So with the air box up out of the way, it freed up that much room. Now again, these are going in plastic, so you don't have to kill them. All you do is snug them down. Now that they're snug, see, they're both snug. And now we'll plug in the last wire. Very good. Now, let me get the air box back on. So this is just going to shove in to the box itself. And then you have your 2 plastic push pins. And that goes like that. That goes there. And again, I've shown you these before too, when I was working on my truck. So you pop the center out, push this in place. That's down, and just push the pin in. Done. That's one. Let's get the other. Get that lined up. There's that one. All right, that's in place. Put the air box back down. Come on. I went through this before. We had to tape it because it didn't want to stick. Come on. Get this back up. You know you want to go because that's where you belong. Come on, baby. Going in? Looks like it wants to go in. There it is. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna have to get a fresh piece of tape because these things, for some reason, these upper clips, I don't know if that can bend them. See while I'm thinking about it. But from day one, it never held in place. Let's see. Yeah, see, that didn't even tighten up. Come the other way with them. Just to experiment. Oh, look at that. That's better. That's better. So I'm still going to put a piece of tape on it, so we're going to get fresh tape. All right, with that said, we'll figure out if that was the issue. If it was, I'll put it in the video, and if it still doesn't seem to be working, then we have a bad fan, which again is a bit of a pain in the backside to replace. A lot of times they want to sell you this whole unit, but it doesn't come with that module anyway. All right, people, adding this to the end of the video. Hard to see down in there, but that fan is now turning. Okay, so the issue was definitely the module. Hey, kid, turn the AC off. Okay, fan is slowly slowing down. And as you can see, I think you can see it there. All right, turn the AC back on. Okay, see the fan kick up? So there you go. So that was the issue. It was definitely that module went bad. All right, so if you have this same issue on your Hyundai, your Tucson, your Kona, Santa Fe, even the cars, the Kias, a lot of times it's this stupid module that goes bad, not the fan itself. So 20 bucks, nearly 300 bucks. So try your module first, it's worth it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.